Okay, I've decided to keep the big bore kit and see what I can do. So I've drawn a ring around where the new piston sits using the original, using a head gasket to give me the profile. So on the original flat top piston, obviously it fits well inside that ring, and you know, you've got quite a deep compression area and a flat top piston. However, this one, I've now topped it. What was happening is, because this one is obviously a few millimeters bigger in diameter, coming up to where that line is that I've drawn, it was creating a squish point, you know, like a squish chamber. So you're going to get 0 in that area there as the piston comes up. So no matter what you do, you're going to get pre-ignition. So that's why it was like kicking back, even though I retarded the timing. But now, if you look at the deck on this one, and you look at the deck on the original, they are now exactly the same, whereas before the deck height was probably about 1.5 millimeters taller than this one. So I measured from the inside to the outside, and there's 3 millimeters of material right in the crown. So what I've done with this one is I've reduced it dramatically around the outside, because the wall thickness is massive inside here on the outer edge to about there, and then I've kept the 3 millimeter, tried to create that same profile on the outside. So I've still got my 3 mil, which is the same amount of material that's left with that one. So now that squish band that I've inadvertently created hopefully will have disappeared, plus because I've removed some material off the top of here as well, the compression ratio should be down considerably, and I'm hoping I've eliminated the pre-ignition or the pinking. So it's going back, and hopefully it's going to run a lot better. If it doesn't, there's not really a great deal else I can do. It just means that this combustion area inside here should really, how it starts to relieve at that point there, it should really relieve from there, and there's no way I'm going to go, well, I can't anyway, go around with the rotary file, because I can't. The steel valve seat is just below the surface here on the inlet valve. So if this doesn't work, I'll have to revert back to the standard barrel. But I've got to give this a shot, because I think I've solved the issue by getting rid of the swish area there and creating a bit more of a compression space, and we'll see how we go. Anyway, it's beer o'clock, and I'll drop this video up now, and we won't do the next one till I've built the engine up and we're ready to run. So see you on the next video, folks.